Hello guys, welcome to my page. Today we want to learn about how to draw the schematic diagram for fire alarm control panel. This is conventional. Hope uliona ile addressable venye inakaa. Sasa angalia venye conventional fire alarm detection. Okay guys, enjoy, fuatilia tuone. So naanza na kuchora panel. This is the panel. See the panel. This is the panel. The panel has two sections. For number 1, zones and sounders. This is fire alarm control panel. So we have here we have zones. We have positive, negative. This is zone 1. Zone 1. We have these terminals. Zone 2 we have positive, negative. Zone 2. Then we have sounders. We have line 1. Sounder 1 we have positive, negative. Sounder 1, positive, negative. Sounder 2. This is our panel now. See it? Our panel. This is terminal 1, zone 1, zone 2, sounder 1, sounder 2. Okay guys, let me draw now the detectors. Smoke detector. We have this is our smoke detector. This is smoke detector. This is heat detector. Now inside the detector, this is the base. Now we have, this is for mounting screws. We have terminals inside the base. This is for terminals. Okay, we have now the in L1 in positive. We have L1 out. This is also positive. We have L2. This is negative. We have L1 we have L2. This is L2 negative. Same to this, L1 in positive, L1 out positive. This is L2. This type is zeta. Zeta. How to connect zeta panel and its accessories. You see, now I want to connect the two smoke detectors. This one I want to label it zone 1. See how I loop my cable. Positive side, I start by positive line. See, positive in. Here, in, out to the another detector, in. You see the negative line, see, negative line, to L2. I think you have seen it. From L2, now you loop. It goes same to L2 negative. L2 negative. See it. See my diagram now very well. Now guys, I want to add call point. My call point has two terminals inside. In, out, positive, negative. Now you see my L out. I loop from there. It comes to in. L out to it comes to this one. Then inside the call point, I loop my resistor. This is my resistor or diode. Put connection here. Have you seen? This is my diode. You see it, diode. See that connection. See the connection. Hope guys you are seeing. This is my zone 1. Because the building it is too small, I just used one zone. But if you want to extend to add more rooms, you can extend by adding the next zone. Now let's see how I can connect the sounders. This is my sounder. This is my sounder now. Sounder 1. Now I come to sounder 1, which is this one. From negative positive, this has two terminals, positive, negative, in, out. I take my positive, see, my positive wire, to positive, negative wire, to negative. Hope you have seen it. Then I have resistor here, or diode. I loop. End of line. This resistor or diode just to close the circuit. It closes the circuit. It is normally connected at the end of the line. This is the end of the line. You see it, guys? See my diagram. Check. Guys, hope you have learned something. This is conventional fire alarm detection. We have fire control panel, detectors, sounders, call points connected to the panel. Now see how this system operates. When you break the call point here, the call point sends message straight to the control panel. This is the control panel. The control panel then send the signal to sounder. This is the sounder. Then the sounder will sound. You see, the sounder is just to alert people on the building that something has happened, something is going on, fire, and here the brake glass will light a red light, and this one will flash. The sounder will produce the sound, and same will see the visual, the light red. When you come and test this detector, the smoke detector, using solo smoke detector tester, if you spray here, and the smoke, the detector has it has a sensor inside. It will send the message to the panel send the message to the sounder, then it alerts the people in the building. When this one, or when heat detector sense heat above 60 degrees, this one hit, it send signal to the panel. Same scenario, the control panel will send the signal to the sounder, then the sounder will alert the people. The work of sounder is just to sound, to alert the people. This one, to alert the people about fire. This one is to evacuate, to activate this one, to activate the panel. When you press this brake glass, it's somewhere you are directed to press the brake glass. This is heat detector, smoke detector. Here inside the panel we have two pieces backup batteries here inside. In case of the power is off, it normally uses backup batteries. It can sustain it for more than 20 hours and it is rechargeable. So guys, hope you have learned something about conventional. This is my diagram, schematic diagram about fire, conventional fire alarm control panel. Guys, kama huja subscribe kwa channel yangu, subscribe ni support, na kama uko na swali kuhusu fire alarm unaweza nipigia, unaweza ni email. My address is obtechappliances at gmail.com. You see, obtechappliances at gmail.com, or you can call my number 0716 77 18 10. You can call this number or email obtechappliances@gmail.com. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, view and watch. Thank you guys for your support. Welcome.